this is the guy that probably people will love because Mshepane has a story to tell.
True.
Ekhaya, where he's a breadwinner, kunzima ekhaya. So South Africans gonna love this guy. They'll want to change his life
Sure.
because that's what the show has always been about. Yabo.
Legit.
If not him, whoever, because when abantu abanetori lapha,
Sure.
ukuthi I come from this a single mother, but I'm unemployed, I left my job. But now, when I came out of the house and I'm seeing abantu and what they're saying, it has changed now. So it's
Yeah,
more
the
about
game has
entertainment.
changed completely.
Now it's about entertainment. It's about who is making us not even laugh. It's like ubani or press button. Ubani banyisayo lapha
legit.
naye ngakawini. So for someone ofuna ungena, just have thick skin. Yabo ngena lapha ngilexile, have thick skin. And I think now going forward, people are gonna go in there thinking they have to be. I'm just mincing my words like.
Yeah, ngiyalazi the gama olumuthayo nami nginalo la kimi but ke
Yabo,
ngifuna
to
ukulifanisa
win.
because yeah.
Yeah, that's not saying this, but yeah, it has changed. It's tricky, man. But
Sure.
yeah, just have thick skin and don't change who you are. Don't go in there and then what now? When this is into that because you're representing a family, nomndeni. I mean, I when I came out, ntangangisaba lapho ukuthi I want to speak to my mom and my dad. No ma ungizalayo. Ngizwe ukuthi bathini, are they proud? And they are so happy. My parents are calling because bangikhulisile ngendlela bangikhulise ngayo.
Sure.
Are they embarrassed of me?
Are they happy?
And they're proud.
Are they
Are they
proud?
happy?